this is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today we're going to be making banana bread. We're going to need 2 overripe bananas, 1 1/4 cup flour, 3/4 cup sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, and a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. We're also going to need aluminum foil and parchment paper. So let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to spray our pan with cooking spray. I'm going to line my pan with parchment paper, and the reason I do that is it makes it super easy to take out. We're going to take our prepared pan and set it aside. We're going to whisk together our 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of cinnamon, and teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to set our dry ingredients aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine our 3/4 cup sugar, our 2 overripe bananas, two teaspoons of vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. We're going to mix these together until they're completely combined. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients, and we're going to just mix it until it's completely combined, but we don't want to overmix it. It looks like this. Now we're going to pour our batter into our bread pan. It's time to put our banana bread into the oven. We're going to bake this for 45 to 55 minutes at 350 degrees. We're going to check on it in 30 minutes, cover it with aluminum foil so our edges don't burn. It's been 30 minutes and I've taken my banana bread out of the oven. But you can see that the edges are starting to brown. So I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil and lightly cover this so that my edges don't burn. I'm going to put it back in the oven and check it for doneness in 15 minutes. I've taken our banana bread out of the oven. It actually took 55 minutes. It smells really good. You can really smell the bananas. We're going to let this sit for 10 minutes, then take it out of the pan. Our banana bread looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.